In this tutorial, we will learn about the logical operators. What are the logical operators? And, or, not. These are the logical operators. These are used for combining two or more conditions. These operators give a single value which is either true or false. We generally use them to combine condition in if statements. So let's see how we can use. So first operator is AND. It means all conditions should be true. Here you can see I have defined three variables x, y, z, and in the line number 13 you can say x is greater than y. This is the first condition, and then AND x is also greater than z. Then it should print x is greater than a biggest number among x, y, z. Got it? When x is greater than remaining two numbers, then it will be called big. Second operator is, logical operator is, any one condition should be true. Or, same statement, what we have done, x is greater than y or x is greater than z. Means both ways it is x is greater than. So x is biggest number among these. So this way we use and or. Now third one, not. If not, this is the way, this is the syntax of writing. If not x plus y. X plus y means 12 or 10 is not. Not means negates the condition. Is greater than 25. X plus y is greater than 25. Not. Not greater than 25. Then print x plus y is not greater than 25. So this way we use the logical operators. Let's see the output. So here you can see first we use below are the result of the logical operators used in the program because we printed this line, and then x plus x, y. So 12 is the biggest number among 12, 10 and 9, giving right answer. X plus y, x greater than y or x greater than, because this is 10 or 9, 12 is greater than 10 and 9. So it is printing is the biggest number. Now x plus y means 12 plus 10 is not greater than 25. So it is printing correctly. So this way we use logical operators. Or let me take one more example so that you can understand where we use or. Okay. So here let me use first we will take input. Here I am defining one, I will ask flower. So this is the variable, right? So this is the variable. So before that we have to ask enter flower name. So first system will ask enter the flower name and it will assign the name, right? And I am commenting this so that we can, okay. If flower is equal to rose or flower is equal to rose. Then print flower is rose. Okay, here it is showing some error. Why? Cannot convert number to string. Cannot convert, so caused by if flowers. So here we have to use and. So this is the very silly mistake. Please remember, double quote means the string. We want to see this is number x, y, z, numeric variable, and this is a string. So we have to put in double quote. So what we have, how we are using or input, enter flower name. So this is variable of string, and then we are comparing because the user can enter capital R OAC or small r OAC and then print. Now we will execute and see how it prints. Then print flower is rose. Okay, so let me execute this. So enter the, so I am entering first ROAC. So flower is rose, right? Or let me enter here. Okay, and I am executing again. So it will give some space. ROAC. So flower is rose. Okay, again this time we'll use small ROAC. So flower is rose. So in both the condition, either we enter in capital ROAC or small ROAC. In both the condition, it will full. Either you enter ROAC, capital ROAC or small ROAC. It will print this statement. Okay. Hope this is clear. Or, and we have already covered this and, right? Both the condition should be fulfilled. Right? So this way we use logical operators in QB64. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you very much.